SPG, or salt, pepper and garlic rub, is one of my most frequently used rubs. It is traditionally used as the main rub for beef dishes like brisket and short rib, but it works as a fantastic base for absolutely any meat, and is even great in vegetables. So let's knock up a batch. Now, if you buy a pre-made rub, it can be really expensive, and it is the easiest thing in the world to make, with just 3 simple ingredients. First off, I just put in a jar of garlic granules I got from the supermarket, and then put in some fine sea salt. And to ensure I'm using exactly equal amounts of all 3, I just put all the other ingredients into the garlic jar. Fill it to the same level that the garlic was, and then pour that into. Next, we throw in some ground black pepper. Now, I got this stuff on Amazon, it's 18 mesh. I know traditionally barbecuers like to use 16 mesh, but I can't tell the difference. You can buy the ground pepper from the supermarket, but it's really fine and not as good as this stuff. I've been using this one for a while, and it gives excellent results. And this really is all that goes in there, just those 3 simple ingredients: salt, pepper and garlic. I'm just using an old paprika jar that I had lying around for convenience, as the cap already comes with holes in it. Now you can see those 3 layers there. This just needs a good mix up. And with that fully mixed, you have your final product. A nice big portion of salt, pepper and garlic rub. Incredibly easy to make and at a fraction of the cost. As I said, this traditionally goes with beef, and specifically brisket, but you can really put it on anything. I put it on this bruschetta, and it's created this absolutely incredible bark. But honestly, it tastes great just on chicken wings. Now, if you want to see how I cooked this bruschetta and turned it into these amazing loaded fries, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, where I show you how to put together this insane tray.